Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. So here, if we'll take a rhombus here, rhombus AB, CD, rhombus AB, CD. So if we'll take rhombus A, B, C, D. Rhombus properties are like in which all the sides will be like equal. So here, and diagonals are like perpendicular to each other. So let the diagonals intersect at O. So here I need to prove sum of the squares of the sides. See, all the sides are equal. So to prove here, sum of the squares of the sides, like see, AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA. Sum of the squares of all the sides is equal to sum of the squares of diagonal AC and BD. AC and BD, because see, the diagonals are here like AC and BD. So to prove this, you know that all sides are equal. So I'll solve this problem in like two methods. So first one, I'll take the triangle AOB. I'll apply Pythagoras theorem. See, in AOB, 90 degrees is here. So hypotenuse is AB. So hypotenuse square equals sum of the squares of other two sides. Hypotenuse square equals sum of the squares of other two sides. AO square plus BO square. So in the same way, for triangle BOC, for this triangle BOC, again 90 degrees is at O, so hypotenuse is BC. So BC square equals OB square plus OC square. In the same way, for triangle COD, in COD, CD square, CO square plus DO square. Next, in the same way for AOD, right angle at O, so hypotenuse is AD. So in triangle AOD, AD square equals DO square plus AO square. See, this is all because of like Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So now I need, if you'll observe here, I need this part, AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. So I'll add all of this. I'll add all these four equations. So AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. AB square is AO square plus BO square, and BC, here BC square is BO square plus CO square. In the same way, for CD, CO square plus DO square, and for AD, DO square plus AO square. So if you'll see carefully, AO and AO 2 times AO square, 2 times BO square, see BO and BO, 2 times BO, 2 times CO square, 2 times DO square. Now here, 2 times AO square, so 2 times AO square, 2 times BO square. Now CO, see, in rhombus diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. So CO I can write as AO. See here, CO I can write as AO, or AO I can write as CO. So I'll change it to here, AO square. DO I'll change it as BO. So 2 AO square, 2 AO square is 4 times AO square plus 4 times BO square. So if you'll see next step here, 4 times AO. AO you can write as, it's half of AC, AC by 2 whole square. BO you can write as BD by 2 whole square. So here you'll get 4 times AC square by 4, 4 times AC square by 4 plus 4 times BD square by 4. 4 cancel here. So we got sum of the squares of its diagonals. If you'll observe here, we got AC square, AC square plus BD square. So this is in one method, you can prove in this way. The other one is, you can take any one triangle, just one triangle. I'll take AOB. Triangle AOB. So if you'll take triangle AOB, and if you'll apply Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals sum of the squares of other two sides. Now here itself, AO here itself I can write as AC by 2, because diagonals bisect each other. So AO is AC by 2, BO is BD by 2. So AB square equals AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. So here is LCM, if we'll take 4 times AC square plus BD square is AB square. So if we'll cross multiply, 4AB square is AC square plus BD square. Now 4 times AB square I can write as AB square plus AB square, because 4 times, so AB square plus AB square plus AB square equals AC square plus BD square. But all sides are equal, so you can change here. You can change AB square as it is. One more AB you can write as BC, because anyhow all sides are equal. And one more AB you can write as CD, CD square. And one more you can write as DA square or AD square, because in rhombus anyhow all sides are equal. So sum of the squares of sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. Sometimes they may ask only this part as an answer. 4AB square equals AC square plus 4BD square. This also they may ask. So in this way we need to prove this.